What's going on, shooters? Feel great. We all got an extra hour of sleep. Got the 19X on deck. It's gun day up against the Sig P320 Scorpion. Let's get it.
I got my Glock, 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 Glock. I got my Glock, 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 Glock. I got my Glock 17 full size 9mm, Glock 17L long slide 9mm, Glock 18 full size 9mm full auto. Glock 19 compact 9mm, Glock 19X full size frame compact slide 9mm, getting busy with the heater, that's what I know. Glock 24 size 10mm, Glock 21 full size 45 ACP, Glock 22 full size 40 Smith & Wesson is the key. Glock 23 compact 40 Smith & Wesson, Glock 24 full size long slide 40 Smith & Wesson, Glock 25 compact 380 ACP. And the Glock 26 sub compact 9mm, Glock 27 sub compact 40 Smith & Wesson, Glock 28 sub compact 380, and I'm on my Glock 29 sub compact 10mm, Glock 30 sub compact 45 ACP, Glock 30 sub compact slim, and I want my Glock, 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 Glock.
The 6-hour P320 is my namesake. The bullet has so much kinetic energy to weigh the brain.
No competition to this shit we got here. The real shit, terror to your ear. Feel the fear. Got the Glock, got the Glock to your headpiece. What? No competition to this shit we got here. The real shit, terror to your ear. Feel the fear. Got the Glock to your headpiece. What?
Bullet has so much kinetic energy to weigh the brain.
No competition to this shit we got here. The real shit, terror to your ear. Feel the fear. Got the Glock to your headpiece. What? No competition to this shit we got here. The real shit, terror to your ear. Feel the fear. Got the Glock.
I got the blicker, the wild gunman. Sit the fuck down, you was never about nothing. Jack Parsons, espionage, but loud dungeon. Lil Nut Miller was talking about pumping. Big in the sinner became painful. It's clear revelations that came as a strange angel. My brother is my brother, we came from the same cradle. These ain't mink, find out he's made from a gray sable.
Check it out. Glock, 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 Glock. I got my Glock, 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 Glock. I got my Glock, 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 Glock. I got my Glock 17 full size 9mm, Glock 17L long slide 9mm, Glock 18 full size 9mm full auto. Glock 19 compact 9mm, Glock 19X full size frame compact slide 9mm, getting busy with the heater, that's what I know. Glock 24 size 10mm, Glock 21 full size 45 ACP, Glock 22 full size 40 Smith & Wesson is the key. Glock 23 compact 40 Smith & Wesson, Glock 24 full size long slide 40 Smith & Wesson, Glock 25 compact 380 ACP. And the Glock 26 sub compact 9mm, Glock 27 sub compact 40 Smith & Wesson, Glock 28 sub compact 380, and I'm on my Glock 29 sub compact 10mm, Glock 30 sub compact 45 ACP, Glock 30 sub compact slim, and I want my Glock, 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 Glock. I got my Glock, 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 Glock. I got my Glock 31 full size 357 Sig, Glock 32 compact 357 Sig, Glock 33 sub compact 357 Sig. You dig? Glock 34 competition 9mm, Glock 35 competition 40 Smith & Wesson, Glock 36 compact single stack 45. You dig? I dig. Glock 37 full size 45 GAP, Glock 38 compact 45 GAP, Glock 39 sub com 45 GAP. Like that. Glock 40 long slide 10mm, Glock 41 long slide 45 ACP, Glock 42 single stack, it's a 380 ACP. Like that. Glock 43 single stack 9mm, Glock 43X 1.5 stack 9mm, Glock 44 compact 22 LR. I'm on my Glock 45 full size, Glock 46 compact, Glock 47 G45, Glock